Hello everyone, welcome to 12am coding. And today we are going to solve a new problem in our linked list series, which is find the middle node in the linked list. Okay, so I am having two linked lists here. Okay, and let's understand this particular problem. So first linked list, if you see, we are having odd number of elements. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Five elements are there which are odd number, right? So in this particular case, this will be our middle node. And in the second linked list, we are having even number of nodes. Okay, one, two, three, four. Okay, four nodes we are having. So our middle, we will consider this one actually. Okay, so that's the question actually. We need to find this middle node. Okay, so to solve this particular problem, what we can do, we can actually keep two pointers. Okay, we can keep slow or and we can keep fast actually. So this slow is a turtle actually. Okay, turtle will move little slow and fast is rabbit. It will move little fast. So what will happen? This slow will move one position at a time. Okay, this slow will move one position at a time, like this way. Okay, and then fast will move two positions at a time. So in the beginning, this slow will be pointing to our head node, and fast will be pointing to head dot next. And whenever this will move, it will move two positions. Okay, so I'll be telling you why we are keeping this slow and fast, because this will be uh, providing the resolution for our question. Okay, same in the case of even number of nodes in the linked list also, we can keep slow and fast. Okay, okay, so slow will be moving one position, then in this case fast will be moving two positions. Slow will be moving one position and fast will be moving two positions. So what we can observe in this particular pattern is, as soon as fast is reaching to the null node, end node, okay, or null node or the end node actually. So if fast, in the case of odd number of elements into the linked list, if the fast is reaching to the null, we are getting our middle node at the position where a or our slow node will be existed. Okay, and in the case of even nodes in the linked list also, when the fast is reaching to the end node, either fast will be reaching to the null or node dot next equals to null, then wherever our slow position is there, okay, wherever slow pointer will be there, it will be our middle node. Okay, so what I'm saying, fast, if it will be at the end node or the end node dot next equals to null, okay, or like it is at the null or end dot next equals to null, okay, then our slow pointer will definitely be reaching to the middle node. So let me show you, let me write a pseudo code for this and let's see how it works. So for example, I am having get middle node. Okay, node is the function, and in this I am having our node, and in this particular we need to find the middle node. Okay, so what we can do, if our node equals to null, okay, simply we can return actually null. Okay, we don't have anything right in the linked list, so we can return null. Then what we can do, if it is not so, then we can keep two pointers. First one is, let's say, slow, and this slow will be pointing to the node, okay, as I told, and second one is our fast, and this fast will be pointing to the node dot next. Okay, and then we can run a while loop. In the while loop, what we can do, while your fast not equals to null, okay, and fast dot next not equals to null. It means you have reached till the end or the end node. Okay, you reach to the null or which next is null. You reach to that particular node. In this case, you can if it is not null, then you need to move that particular locations. Okay, if it is like, if our fast is at this particular position, right, it's not null, so we need to move twice, not dot next dot next. And in case of slow, we need to move not dot next only. So what we can do, slow will be your slow dot next, okay, and fast will be your fast dot next, because this will be jumping by two positions actually. And when, as I'm telling again and again, that when it will reach to the end node or null node, then your a or slow pointer, wherever it will be, that is your middle node of the linked list. Okay, So we just came here and we need to run this loop until your fast reach to the null or node dot next equals to null, your fast reach. Then your slow pointer will be the middle node actually. So you can simply return slow node in this particular case. Okay. So let me dry run this particular code for you and see. So in the first case, let's say we are at the fifth node. Okay. Let me move this particular code little bit up. Okay. And we are having this fifth. Okay. So in the beginning, what node we are having? Okay. So let's maintain slow and we'll be having fast also. So in the case of, let me just change the spelling. So in the case of slow, what we are having, uh, our node will be at the fifth position, okay, in the beginning, and fast will be at 18th position, okay. Then we will see fast, it's fast is not equals to null and fast dot next is also not equals to null because 18 not null and 18 dot next also not equals to null. So we will be moving slow by 1 point. So slow will reach 18th, okay, and your fast will reach now 82nd node. Fast is fast dot next dot next, so 18 dot next dot next, so it will be reaching to 82nd node, okay. And then after that, what it will again come, then fast not equals to null, then fast dot next not equals to null. Here it is not null or next is also not null, so we will move the slow by 1 position. So slow will become your fifth node because like it is having again like duplicate nodes, but fine, okay. So it is at the fifth node, and um, are this fast will come to null actually, okay. And as soon as it came to null, we found our middle node. And same in the case of even numbers of node also, like in the beginning your slow will be at fifth, fast will be at 18th, then you will be moving slow by 1, slow will reach 18th, fast will reach 82. So once fast will reach 82, it means it's not dot next is null, so we are just returning the slow, so 18 we will return. Okay, so let's implement into the code and see how it works. So what I'm doing, I am just doing public and it will return a node now. We want to return a middle node. So get middle node, it will just take, okay, it will take our node. Okay, in this node, what we can do, if your node equals to null, simply you can return null node. Okay, because in the case of empty list, we are not having anything middle node. Then you can initialize your start or slow, actually not start, with the node, and then you can do node fast equals to node dot next actually, and then you can run a loop. Okay, in this while loop, what you can do, fast till fast not equals to null, and fast dot next not equals to null. Okay, you can just move the slow equals to slow dot next, we are moving it by 1, and fast equals to fast dot next. Okay, and then you can return slow here simply. Okay, so this function I have written, let me call it. So it will be having middle node and operations dot get middle node. Like we are having this class, so we have created a function into this particular class actually, get middle node. Okay, and then we are passing our head here. So first of all, let me show you our current linked list. So this is our current linked list. Okay, it is having 4 elements, so it should return me 18th node actually. Okay, so I'll uncomment this now. I'll put our head, the beginning of the linked list, into this particular function, and then let's say system.out.println, then middle node value is what we can do, middle node dot data. Okay, whatever data we are having, because this node is we are having the class. Okay, so let me run this particular code. So we should be getting we are getting 16 actually. Okay, so we should get 18 in this case. 1 minute. Fast dot next. Okay. If fast not equals to null or fast dot next not equals to null. Oh, see? we are not moving fast by 2 pointers. So that's the problem. It's returning 16th. Okay. So let me run this particular code again. If you see, we got the 18 here. Okay. And if let's say my linked list is having 5 elements, odd number of element, let's say 98 I put here. Okay. And then if I run this particular code, our middle node will be 16 in this case. Okay. So let me also debug this code and show you guys how it's working. So in the beginning, this is our linked list, okay, 14, then we are having 18, then 16, then 87, and then 98. Okay, so this is our linked list. Now it's not null, so we'll be coming down. Then if you see, our slow has became 14th and our fast came to 18th actually. So fast not equals to null, fast dot next also not equals to null. So we are moving slow by one pointer position, okay. So we just moved this slow by one position. So slow went to 18, and as soon as this fast ran, it went to 87 now. Okay, it will come again as 87 dot next not equals to null, or it is not the null node. So our slow will become 16 now, and our fast in this case it will become null actually. So it reach outside of this linked list. So we just break the loop, and our slow will be our middle node. Okay, 16. So yes guys, that's it for this particular tutorial. I hope this video has make sense, and yeah, keep subscribing the channel, and if you like the video, then share with your friends, press the like button on the video. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.